1 minute now until we get the market on open imbalance. Ten seconds. Markets on open imbalance. S&P 500 sell side 21 million, Nasdaq 100 buy side 45 million, Dow 30 buy side 20 million, Mag 7 buy side 40 million. Intel shares dipping 1.1% after the company announces an upsize and pricing of a $20 billion stock offering.
Okay. Okay. That boy Smith in the chat. Interesting. Enter.
Seeing reports from Fars News that Pakistan's Interior Minister has now arrived in Tehran.
That's mm. Hey, what's up, Alfred? Damn, silver. I like that. Oh shit! I just noticed that they're trying to sell it at VWAP. I just noticed that. Mm. 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 There's a lot of bearish pressure coming down for obvious reasons. It's obviously pretty bearish. You got this bearish 15-minute candle right here, but
reports that drilling has begun at one of the largest undeveloped palladium, gold, and platinum deposits.
All right, so we got the initial balance has officially formed, or not the initial balance, but the orb has officially formed. Damn. 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 Hmm. Let's hope that it can just hold the orb low here. Let's hope they can hold the orb below. Looks like, at least for now, they're holding it. I don't know what's up with that freaking wick like that, man. What's up with that? Hmm.
So in 10 minutes time now, at the top of the hour, we see the release of the US existing home sales data for the month of July. Forecast 4.05 million on the prior 4.09 million, with a range of 4.18 to 3.88
Hey, what's
million
up, Tony?
expected. The change forecasted -1% from the prior -2.4%. The UK 10-year yield falls 5 basis points now, set for its biggest intraday range since May.
Okay. Well, you think so? Yeah, we do have CPI tomorrow. I mean, at this point, ES, you better dump. You better dump because it literally stopped me out at the tick. And right now, my stop loss is the bottom. So you better dump. I lost $480. Wow. Wow. And that shit is like the commissions are eating me up.
So in less than 5 minutes time now, at the top of the hour, we see the release of the US existing home sales for the month of July. Forecast 4.05 million on the prior 4.09 million. The change forecasted -1% on the prior -2.4. So we're seeing some more colour from the drilling of the undeveloped palladium gold platinum deposits. This is taking place in Skagerrak, Greenland.
Wow.
One minute remaining. I'll lead with the US existing home sales.
Damn, ES, you gonna do me like that? Okay. So my target would be at 87. The low right now is where it stopped me out, which is crazy because for whatever
10
reason
seconds.
the ES was not satisfied unless it stopped me out before it started to go in my direction. Let's see if it goes to my
4.06 million, 4.06 million, which is a higher than forecast 4.05 million. The prior was also revised up to 4.13 million from 4.09. The change -1.7%, -1.7%, which is lower than forecast -1%. Prior there was revised up to -1.4% from -2.4.
I'm gonna put my stop where my target would have been. Wow, dude, Nasdaq. Oh my god, dude.
Russia sees Syria bases deal securing a hub for Africa operations. So reading into this then, the Kremlin is confident that it has secured Russia's presence at two key military bases in Syria. allowing it to project its strategic influence far beyond the region under a deal agreed with the Middle Eastern country's new leadership. Russia's navy will retain access to the Syrian port of Tartus, while the defense ministry can continue to use an airfield as a transit hub to service the Kremlin's operations in Africa, according to a person in Moscow familiar with the memorandum of understanding signed between the two countries.
Well, nice one, ES. I really don't know, man. That seems very malicious. That was very malicious of the ES. It hit my profit target. So if it didn't stop me out, it would have hit my profit target. I really don't know what the hell that was about right here. I really don't. Mhm. Mhm.
Sky News Arabia reports that negotiations between Israel and Lebanon in Rome will resume in early September. Prior to that, interim talks will be held in Washington, Beirut, and Jerusalem.
I probably should get out of this. It looks like they're trying to find support at the 50% of the orb on the ES here. I'll leave it. I'll let the trade play out. But man, that's so frustrating, man. That's frustrating. It's so frustrating, man. That's so frustrating. Getting stopped out is one thing. Getting stopped out at the tick and then it runs to your target, that's another thing. Man, that's... But I won't revenge trade. But I am frustrated right now.
We have posted the US existing home sales July report on the feed for those interested. I'm just gonna close this. I'm gonna close this. I'm gonna close it. Or I'm just gonna readjust my stop just in case. Instead of just closing it, I'll just readjust my stop.
I mean, this looks like it's gonna fail, but I try for a short again here. Looks like it's gonna fail going short, but the bears do look pretty adamant. So this is what I'll do. I'll just put my stop a couple of points above that high. I'm not gonna give it a full. Oh shit, why she didn't tell me? Oh, hold on guys. I gotta get my daughter off the party.
I hate it. I hate this with a passion. I have this stupid footprint chart. To the candlesticks.
All right.
I think I'm done. I think I'm gonna retire from the market.
Oh shit, what happened?
I'm over it.
Hmm.
I was in at practically the bottom.
Really?
Practically the bottom. But But I'm over here thinking like, oh shoot, this might go lower. Let me get out and then just get in lower if when it drops lower.
Mhm.
What does it do? Nope, runs away from me. I'm like, you know what? I'm done. I can't do this anymore.
Well, at least the market didn't do you like it did me this morning. I don't know how.
Oh no, it did.
Oh, go
That's
ahead.
only half the story. It did me dirty.
Okay.
You know that position I had last night. You know I didn't close it.
Oh my god. Oh my.
And then I oversleep. I look at the charts, it's 8:30. I was like, oh my gosh. But in hindsight, it makes sense though. I get why they did this in hindsight. But I wasn't even thinking about that, you know, at the time, in real time.
Oh. No way.
And so seeing a comment cited by some Arabian
I can't
Newswise,
do this anymore.
they're citing Voice of America interview saying that Trump said that we
Retire
control
from
Iran's money and
markets.
have complete control over it.
Don't tell me this thing is gonna drop now. Don't tell me this thing is gonna drop.
I won't tell you.
Don't tell me that. I'm a bit frustrated this morning because the ES literally look, dude, the low of this leg right here is literally my stop. Like for whatever reason, it just seemed like it just needed to stop me out for whatever reason. I already know that after it stops me out and makes sure that I didn't re-enter, it goes and hits my previous target. And I'm like, yo.
And in this interview as well, Trump said that the US has no shortage of missile munitions. We can hit Iran very hard.
Man. Yeah, my Kraken account was looking good. And then liquidated.
Oh shit, it's going on. Oh shit. Damn.
RIP to Kraken.
Man, I don't know.
Liquidated.
I don't know. I don't know. I mean, is it worth it? Is it worth it? Is it worth it? Is it worth it? 45 bucks. Risking 45 bucks for what, 15 bucks. I mean, I really have a decision to make. I'm looking at the Nasdaq, see the vision, but I can also see how things can get very confusing. Oh. Well, I mean, I guess. Oh, wow. I mean, well, the Nasdaq did do exactly what I thought it would. Should we got 9 more? Well, shit. I guess you don't care anymore, but we got about 9 more minutes until the initial balance is formed.
Oh man.
Were the levels of the initial balance helpful to you last night? Were they helpful?
Last night, I mean, I'm trying to think because I mean, I had established my position already. Like I was long at 7:30, which was an okay, but it wasn't the best, but it was decent. And then of course price came down to my break even a few times last night after the initial fail. Thank you. But I was asleep, so I wasn't staying up this time around watching. I was asleep.
No, you just said you stopped and run.
Yeah, and then we get that run up. I wake up at 6, the 60-point candle, and I was like, yeah, that's what I messaged you. I was gonna push 29, but apparently they're like, no, this is a supply zone. We're just waiting for 8:30 to dump it. Stop being happy. I don't know what you're happy for. And then, of course, I fell asleep. I wake up and see 8:30.
So IRNA
was
confirming
like,
what we've
yo,
heard already, that
100
Pakistan's Minister of the
points out
Interior
the
met with
gate?
Iran's Foreign Minister Aragchi. He did arrive just about an
And it
hour
just
ago.
kept dropping. I'm like, why can't I get in on these?
Dude, I don't know, man. It seems like, dude, I don't know. I don't know. It's something like, for lately, like in hindsight, when you look at the charts, at the end of the day, it's like, yo, like this shit is just so straightforward. Like, what the hell is going on in real time?
Man, I don't know.
What the hell is going on in real time?
I do not know.
Well, honestly, I don't know. I don't know. Don't know. I don't know what that BS was about with the ES, and I'm trying to short it right now, but obviously it's not trying to go down. It's not trying to go down. And
I'm right there with you, bro. I'm sick of this. Boycott the market.
we're tired of these markets.
Not giving us our just due. What is on my screen right now? So I marked out the stuff. Oh, that's London. Yeah, London's trash. I can't stand London, man. If I ever go to London and hear somebody talk about trading, I'm slapping them on the spot.
Hey, what did London do to you?
Like, y'all suck. Always messing up my positions. Always being bearish when it's not the time to be bearish. Unnecessarily bearish. And it's not like straightforward bearishness. No, they like to play around. Yeah, I don't know, man. I'm short, but this
I don't know. I wouldn't be sure. The ES is not. The ES is still trading in the orb right now. I wouldn't be sure. I tried shorting at the 50%, but it looks like it's struggling. So I just took a small loss on the ES.
Yeah, man, I'm sitting here looking at. I was like, okay, I'm in. I was long at 668. I was like, okay, I'm in. But then it was like playing around and dipping below. I was like, oh shoot, I can't afford this right now. Let me close with profit. Dang it, here we go.
And after you close, that's exactly when it shoots up higher. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yep. To say that I was hurt is an understatement. So I'm like, okay, maybe it might try to test this low again. Maybe I can get a better entry on my long. I can get a better position. Let me close out and try to get this better position. Bogged enough. He did it. It's happening. He closed. Yeah. He sewed. Pump it. Pamp it. I'm just like, bro. Man.
All right, I guess today is just a day that the market just wants to mess with all my positions. Like my silver position, like the market is like, am I gonna fill it? Nah, I'm not feeling it. All right, I'm about to come fill your order. Get ready. Nah, I'm not gonna fill it. So I guess and that silver and ES both trying to tag team me today. It's all right. Like that consolidation right now, like my my entry. I guess.
Yeah, I need to exit this at break even.
Yeah, this
is not working right now. Yeah, it's not working.
Well, we're about to enter the initial balance, and we can switch to Nasdaq.
I got that on my chart right now. New York.
There it goes.
New York, New York. Cannot believe this. They're like, yeah, we just had to dump that, clear that zone, clear the upper and the lower zone, and now we're good to go. Shoot up to 30K. Why not?
Okay. Well, the initial balance is officially formed. We know the highs and the low, and surprise, surprise, surprise. Surprise, surprise, surprise. The Nasdaq is bouncing on the 50% of the initial balance right now. So either we get the market to break down and we can use the 50 for a short, or it's going to continue. But that's a double top. That looks like a double top rejection. We got bearish imbalances right here to the left. It looks like it wants to come down. There's a trend line, a support trend line going up.
What does the 60K chart tell you?
Let's see. I got it up. Or I got it locked and loaded. But I should say.
She does not lie.
And that's the name of the tab, the 60K chart. She don't lie. Well, let me take a screenshot and show you guys. I'm not moving this chart. Right now, it looks like it could go higher. Or go lower, my bad. Looks like it could go lower. 60K chart don't lie.
I mean, if y'all want to see my charts, I'm defeated from that, man. Like, I need a personal day.
You need PTO.
Just, I need to take PTO. I'm
Tired,
so
boss.
mad about that.
That's the 60K chart.
No.
You see that candle right there? Looks bearish as hell, but it won't go down. Our boy Smith said that he was. Oh well, I guess it is August. Technically.
Yeah, but that was before everything happened.
Hmm. Well, you already know what this is. You know what this BS is right here. You already know. It just actually I should probably go long here. Should go long, actually. Let me get into a long position right now. Because it just ran a liquidity underneath that low. I'm going long. If I can hurry up and get into an ATM strategy, that would be nice. I have no clue why that's like that. But whatever. I have no clue why that's like that. It's so stupid. So stupid. Why is it like that? Alright, I'm long. Alright.
Bogdanovs.
It's happening.
He bought. I guess I'll pull up the stream so you can see me get cooked again.
Alright, we're long. Bought it off. It's happening. People. He went all in.
Atlanta Fed's Venable says inflation is too high, with same message heard from contacts across the southeast.
But I have to be careful here. I have to be careful because it just wiped that range, but I have to be mindful where I take profit to. Take profits like a little bit before that range right there. Yeah, like right there. That's what I'm take profits at that range right there. What? Oh my god. Alright. 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 I don't know why I butchered this ATM strategy like this, but alright, let me see if I can get back into it. Okay. Alright, okay. Yeah, let's try this again.
Venable says that the central question is whether price pressures will recede in coming months, with much depending on outcome of the Middle East conflict.
Alright. Let's go higher, baby. Can we get much higher? Can we get much higher?
Not right now. I need to go lower first.
Shit. Well, Smith.
Just like 20 points, that's all. grant me 20 points so I can get out.
Incoming Trump tweet in 3, 2, 1.
He's the greatest.
Venable says job market seems generally stable.
The Strait of Hormuz is open. Let the oil flow, baby. Flow, baby, flow. I'm the greatest president.
I don't
Okay.
know what kind of shit is going on.
All right. Should I just get out or let this thing ride? No, this isn't real. This isn't real. This isn't.
Venable
You're
says
not a real
understanding of maximum
short.
employment is influenced by the fact that labor supply is stagnant
Bogdan
and
off. I
unusual
see what you're doing
circumstances
to me.
for the US.
Well,
Venable adds that there are nuanced risks to Fed inflation and jobs mandates.
Not even real. You're not real. Howard. What
I thought
meme
you
were
were-
you watching?
I thought you were referencing Spider-Man meme. You're not real.
Oh. Actually, it was that meme from the lady that got on the plane.
Oh, that one?
That motherfucker's not real. And she saw the lizard man on the plane. That mother effer is not real.
I wonder if they put her on a no-fly list because of that shit. I mean,
I think they.
you think they did?
I think so.
I mean, we're not gonna sit here and because we've already seen people
Intel
come
is
on
said to
planes
give
and
no
wear
more.
masks and
Intel is said to
shit
give no shares to about 33% of orders in offering. And Intel is said to give no shares to about 33% of orders in offering.
wear face masks and change their appearance. So I mean, we really can't say what she did was crazy unless we saw it ourselves. But that is kind of crazy to do all that. All she had to do was just get off the plane or inform the flight attendant that the person next to her is not real. She could have handled that a lot better. He's not real. Yeah. All right, Nasdaq. All right, man. All right. All right.
Well, I closed my short, so she can pump now.
Ah, shit. Now the market doesn't have any incentive to get fired.
Dang. I barely made $10 on it. I got out at, just above break even. Now the market has no incentive to go higher. Bogdanov's like, you know what? He made it out this time.
Yeah, we'll get him. He panic sold, then pump it, make him get back.
I'm so tired of this market. I really am. I had to. I guess it can't go up forever, but damn it, I thought we were gonna at least. I thought it was gonna push 29. Yeah, I thought it was gonna push 29.9 and then dump. But like I said, I was asleep for it anyway, and then I overslept. So it's like, damn. Then I closed the short. Now it's just dancing around. I don't know.
Excuse me. Yeah, this market is it's booty cheeks, man.
Yeah. I mean, like I said, that dump to me made sense because we couldn't clear it yesterday, right? We were sitting there. Where was it at? Right here. We barely broke down. Okay, yeah, that was at 7 o'clock. Where was it during the market? Yeah, it was right here, this section. We would not drop lower. Come on, guys. Y'all know I closed my short. Why would you do that to me?
Bogdanov, he panicked so. Dumpy.
Oh my gosh.
Dumpy. Man, fuck it, man. I'll go short. Let me fix this real quick though. Because it's over that trend line, and I know I'm fighting that trend line, so let me just get back short.
I was short at 54, so I'd only be up like 20 points right now. But it's like it's not a straight shooter short. You know what I mean? Like at the open. Oh damn.
Yeah,
like
baby. Go ahead.
Wait, you got in short? What?
Short now.
What?
Bogdanov.
Bogdanov? Now I gotta see where you got in short at. Where you at?
I might have to.
Yeah, man, I don't know. If it does go down, it's gonna be like, I don't think it's gonna be like a real instant short. It's gonna be a grind. That's what it's giving right now. That's the vibes it's giving. Sherman short, baby.
Yeah, if this thing pushes up, man, me and Bogdanov, I mean, we gotta run ones, man. You gonna run me on ones, man.
Yeah, y'all gotta run the fade. Yep. Bogdanov. It's happening.
Oh, hell nah, bro. You know what?
Smith went long. What do we do?
Oh, you went long? How the hell? Hold up. What's going on here? What's going on here? Oh, hell. Oh, hell. Oh, hell no, dude.
It's happening.
Oh, hell. What?
What do we do?
All right,
Make him
dude.
think.
All right, dude. No.
Paint the bull flag.
Sherm offered himself up as a sacrifice. My God. Oh my God. I was. Mind you, it didn't even hit my stop. I thought it was going to hit my stop, but I closed it, and that was. Oh my. What's going on today? Oh.
I don't know, man. Bags have been fumbled on my part. I'm not even gonna hold you. Many bags have been fumbled.
And you know what, Red Kit? You're absolutely right. You're absolutely right, Red Kit. I shouldn't even be trading the Nasdaq during New York. You're absolutely right. Man, bump the bump it, man, bump Nasdaq.
Well, she's all I got. She's all I got. Oh my goodness, gold. I wish I would have caught that short on gold. That would have made me feel better, but I can't touch gold right now. You gotta have like $1 million to trade live in gold, even micros. I've been clapped way too many times in gold, micro gold, to even try to get in a trade. The one time I did hop in gold and I said we were back together, that was just for entertainment purposes for the stream. And it just happened to work out. So she got me hooked that way. I was like, okay,
That's how she
we're talking again. Yeah.
Talking again.
We're in the talking stage again. Okay.
Look who I'm fucking
She was
again.
supposed to she was supposed to provide me with that steak dinner in Dubai. But now we don't F with each other anymore.
Yeah, I'm completely done with gold at this point. I can't trade gold over silver. I can't trade gold over silver. I make way too much money with way less risk. I can't. Gold, unfortunately.
Really?
Yeah, man. Shit, 90 ticks on with one contract on silver is what, $400 on one contract. Imagine if you stack that up. If you stack up 2, that's 8. If you stack up 3, that's about 1,300, and you're only risking $300 to make that. That's why I can't go back to gold after that. On one contract, I can risk $135 to make $405, and I'm not paying crazy commissions because it's only one contract. But with gold, I have to obviously stack up a couple of contracts, and then I'm paying commissions and I'm paying for commissions and fees, and that's going to cut into the profits. So in order to get the amount that I need, either I have to hold it longer or accept that I'm going to lose $30 in commissions. Or
In
I
10
think it's
minutes' time now,
$17
at the
in
top of the
commissions.
hour, we see the release of the New York Fed's Q2 credit report.
I mean, this thing, man. All right, man. Let me just. Like, they're holding this wall at 85 on ES. For whatever reason, they're holding this wall. I'm looking at my footprint chart on ES, and is today like an expiration day or some shit like that?
I think so. I think it's just we had a little bit of news this morning, home sales, all that BS, but I didn't think it would be nothing too crazy, but I also realized that they would use that as fuel to do whatever they wanted to do, take the market wherever they wanted to take it. All right, guys, we're trying this again. If you're on my stream, welcome. I don't think, oh, I got one person in here. Cool. We're trying this again from 250. Let's see if we could run it up in trade of 8. I was in cracking yesterday, doing pretty well, and then today just ruined everything. Liquidated. Now I got just enough to trade MES in the account, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm so sick. That's like the absolute last resort. I gotta be super down bad to. I got like $70 left in the account. That's just enough to trade MES. But I would have to be perfect. My entry would have to be perfect. My exit would have to be perfect to secure bag. But I'm not going to do that. I refuse. We caught this long at the bottom of this 5-minute candle. And now hopefully we fill this dump. We got a gamma level at 2250 and then 23. 2250 is a small gamma level, but I've been seeing price react to these smaller levels for whatever reason. Maybe today's the day we get to 725. Doubt it. I mean, there's a lot of calls here. A lot of 720 calls. 718. I mean, so they're eating right now.
Oh my god, dude. All right.
But if they decide to close these calls and take profit, then yeah, that'll push us down.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, Alfred, they're at point of control on the ES right now too. It's like they're like for whatever reason, the market is just holding at this area. Well, you could be seeing the push now. I don't know if this is going to be a push to 790 because we got this range right here. So this could
In
just
5
be
minutes time now, at
dramatics.
the top of the hour, we see the release of the New York Fed's Q2 credit report.
Let's see what they do at 90. If they kind of get queued at 90, I'll probably close it, but if they get queued at 90, I'll close it.
Shoot. And I had you on mute the whole time. I've been mute myself the whole time. Just both been on mute. Yeah.
I heard you. Oh, well, I guess I couldn't hear you. We're in the same conference call.
Yeah. Yeah. I'll read it on the stream. Thought we would have like ran this 100-point candle and filled it by now, but they're trying to struggle here for whatever reason.
Just have to. You invested in this product. It works best with the ES. Just accept it. Just accept it.
Come on, gamma levels. 722 put.
According to the NOC chief or the NOC chief, Libya's Zawiya refinery
Well-
resumes its operations.
Let me take a screenshot of what I'm seeing right now. And since Alfred is interested in the volume profile, I'm actually capture that as well. But this is what I'm seeing right now, at least on the ES. They are battling it out. Obviously, price is literally at point of control. And do you see these dots right here? These are sellers right here, trying to sell this thing down. These are sellers. So these are 748 orders, 352 orders, 782 orders, and 360 orders. They've been trying to sell this thing down on the ES with no follow through, none whatsoever. And we got point of control literally where price is right now, trading in this range. Literally trading in this range right here. So I think whichever side it finally, I think it goes to the upside from here because the sellers are selling it and there's no follow through. There's an iceberg order actually sitting at, there's a buy iceberg order sitting at 781.
1 minute remaining till we get the New York Fed credit report.
So there's iceberg orders that are getting filled right here. And I think that's why the market is consolidating, because I think a big player is now entering the market. So is the market going to go higher here? Is it going to go lower? We'll see. But it's likely to go higher. Probably retest that opening candle, maybe. But we'll see. Right around 90-ish.
You don't have to do this in Q.
Yeah.
10 seconds.
Oh yeah, we got. Oh, I guess this is the news that they. I guess it's waiting on news or something.
So we're seeing here the New York Fed releasing its quarterly household debt and credit report. The Q2 aggregate delinquency rate improved slightly to 4.7%. Household debt declined 0.1% to $18.8 trillion in the second quarter. Also seeing the Treasury auction sizes here that sell $110 billion in 4-week bills August 13th, settling on August 18th. New York Fed added their credit card balances are up by $21 billion to a total of $1.26 trillion in the second quarter.
Trade of 8, Ninja Trader, Kraken. Is on Kraken. Sign 43.
We have posted the link for the New York Fed's Q2 credit report on the feed as well for those interested.
For those interested.
I just don't see that. 900. 950.
Huh. I just realized we're still trading in that range. We are still trading in that range. In August 5th's range. They tried to break it on August 6th. And August 7th, we traded back into the range. And we bounced right at that low. Oh, wow. All right, ES, figure this shit out, man. Are you gonna bounce or are you gonna drop, man? Figure it out.
That's what I'm saying.
And we don't care who's but what we go out. That's how it's supposed to be. Living young and wild and free.
20.
Oh yeah, I mean we do have CPI tomorrow, I guess. I guess the market is positioning itself for tomorrow, I guess. Which is annoying because it holds these bigger players hold up the entire market when they do so.
Ah, they gonna do me dirty here.
Man.
Try to come back to the VWAP, so let me put this right here, just above break even. If I get brokenhearted, if the NQ breaks my heart,
It's not if, it's when. It's when the break, when she breaks your heart.
When she breaks my heart. I'm like, 820 is possible, literally like right there. 820 got a bunch of orders. Yeah.
Trump is gonna say something, man. The market is in a range that for whatever reason it doesn't want to do nothing in.
VWAP. 5-minute VWAP.
Unbreak. Unbreak Smith's heart. Thank you. Say you love him again.
She's about to disappoint me.
What the fuck?
And it's sad because I don't deserve this. I deserve all the profits. Damn it. I deserve all the profits. No. $8? No.
How could this be? Smith
did it.
cried so many nights. Unbreak Smith's heart. Whoa, 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 whoa.
How could this be?
Smith cried so many nights. Unbreak Smith's heart. FQ, please.
This is terrible.
That is hilarious. That's hilarious.
That's what we doing today. The slop chop. Yeah, this engulfing candle. Long enough. He did it. He's at it again. He bought.
And that's unfortunate, Investors League. You blew your static account in this stupid chop. Where were you trading? ES or Nasdaq? I hate when it does that. Dude, I hate when it does that, man. I hate when it does that. I hate when it does that.
I got my limit sitting at London IB low, so maybe it does something there. Hopefully it doesn't go to Asian session low. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness.
Hold on, guys. Give me a second.
What the freak? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I think I might be trying to catch a falling knife right now. Just 63 points out of nowhere. Not even in a supply zone. $63 points. Crazy, just froze for a second. Boom, 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 boom. If I had the guts, I'd freaking add another contract to this, but my account balance is so low. I can't afford that. Thank you, I don't love you anymore. She's broken my heart way too many times. Need to find a new instrument that's not ES. Maybe
There's
oil?
always silver.
Maybe oil.
There's always
Okay,
silver.
man, silver is too expensive. I cannot afford that right now.
Yeah, you're right. My bad. You're right.
For a personal account. I mean, I'd love to trade silver. I know there's lots of money to be made there. Like maybe oil. Maybe oil is the key.
Going back to the commodities. Silver is doing me real dirty right now, silver. Not hitting my damn target, feeling my target and stuff. Being nasty.
Damn. I just need something that's not gonna constantly break my heart every day.
I'm gonna break Smith's heart.
BS. With new BS every day. Like, you don't want to, I know she don't want to double bottom down there. I know she doesn't want to do that. After all we've just been through. I know she doesn't want to do that. But I'm not getting the warm and fuzzies right here. I probably should have just got out right there.
I break Smith's heart. Nasdaq say you love him again.
If this doesn't push, if they give me break even, I'll close it out. But I gotta see some follow through. It looks like we're not gonna get that. I'm gonna have to add that sound to the soundboard.
How could this be? Smith cried so many nights. Unbreak Smith's heart. Whoa, 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 whoa. Unbreak Smith's heart. 59795. There we go. There we go. We're just gonna follow the rules. There we go. You know what, ES? You know what? You know what, ES? That BS.
BS on ES.
Dude, and I was literally short there too. It just, oh my God. ES. I shouldn't have to deal with this BS from you. God damn. So I guess all that selling was that was happening there, I guess. Dude, I was literally short here, man. And I flipped long. Okay, whatever, man. All right. All right, man. Whatever. Whatever.
Just dropped 100 points. Oh. But why?
Red Kid is absolutely correct. That is Smith. Smith is a legend, though. He has done some very incredible things. Him and BTC teaches him. So, I mean, he learned straight from the master herself.
Yep. Yep, that's me.
He learned straight from the master. BTC is ICT's mentor. I don't know if y'all knew that. I don't know if y'all knew that. BCT. ECT. Okay. Well, man, today was just not a good day today. It was not a good day. Today is definitely a red day for me. So far, I guess. So far. And the ES literally stopped me to the tick and then hit my target. And I was short at these highs, but I didn't trust it, so I got out and flipped long, and then just for it to go short anyway. Man, you know, one of the biggest things that I don't understand why it happens is why the hell am I stubborn in situations that don't work out, but then when it will work out, being stubborn, I say fine, and then I go freaking the opposite side just to get hit up like this. Maybe I should start to acknowledge when I'm not being stubborn and when I am being stubborn and inverse that. And like, okay, well, right now I'm not being stubborn, so let me just see what happens. Because my stop was at 88. It never actually came nowhere near my stop. I just assumed that it would. And right now, I'll be in TP land right now. TPing it up right now. Well, I don't know, I guess it's my fault.
According to an official Canadian statement, the Canadian minister who's in charge of US trade relations will meet with USTR's Greer on Tuesday.
And be stubborn at the right times. You know what, man? I guess that does. That makes sense. Man, you can. You heard what she preferred. She want a man that make her fly like bird. She want a real man, she don't want a nerd.
What you know about that?
Mm.
The man, the myth, the over leveraging legend. I went in too. I said F it. I don't know why I'm playing around like this. I think my heart's just been broken. Today was just the tipping point.
Yeah.
So I'm like a psycho right now in the market. What is he doing? He's over leveraged.
SWAT,
No.
SWAT.
Somebody come get this man.
Hmm. 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 You want that?
Somebody get his stops. No.
Hmm.
Bro, no way. No way. No way. No way. No. No way. What are y'all doing today? Ah. Ah.
I mean, does the market push back all the way up here? I don't think so. I don't think so. I mean, it broke the orb low. Broke the orb low here, so. But it did run liquidity underneath that pre-market low, though. Santiago, what do we do? What do we do, Santiago?
Oh my god.
What do we do?
Ah. Oh my gosh. Bogdanov. It's happening. T-bot. Don't make me do it. Please, NQ. Haven't you broke my heart enough today?
No. No.
Dang, can you just give me a dub?
No.
Please, I need a dub. You've broken it enough. I'll be a changed man if you hit my TP.
The 15-minute orb. 15-minute. The ES responds best to the 15-minute orb.
Is this right now? See, I knew you had it in you. Playing with me. Goodness. Unnecessary things. Stop doing these unnecessary things to me. I gotta leave the desk right now, but I don't want to. I'm trying to hold out. Break my wallet. I won't let you. Shoot.
Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, our boy Smith. I guess. How long you here for, Smith?
Until I get my TP.
Oh no, I'm not talking about. I'm talking about like when you have to go back to life.
Back to work. It's supposed to be next week, but I'm gonna put in for like another 2, maybe 3 weeks.
Another 2 or 3 weeks.
Yeah, I'm gonna ask them if I can get another 2 or 3 weeks. Ask these doctors.
I'm pretty sure they'll say yeah.
Damn. It's like I gave you your break even.
You know, honestly, bro. I mean, if you're in this long, that is definitely a gamble. I will say that.
Iran's advisor to the Supreme Leader Mokhbar says the Strait of Hormuz will not be reopened until Iran's conditions are met.
I told you. Here come the Trump pump or dump or whatever. The Trump news. Shit. It broke structure to the downside on the ES, but I mean, it swept pre-market lows, but it's still making lower lows and lower highs. So it's downtrending on the ES. We still have that low at 66 on the ES. If it breaks that, then you already know that ES is the leader and the Nasdaq will follow. So just keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. But it's definitely bearish on the ES. They are selling this thing. These bears are coming in heavy with these orders, man. But I mean, the thing is that they have no follow through. So that's what makes this pretty difficult. No follow through, but they are selling it. Take another screenshot here and show you guys. Yeah, they are super selling this thing. So you can see that the market, you can see all this red right here. This is all those sell orders. And you can see that it's overpowering the buy orders here. So, all right. Like I said, I'll stay for a couple of minutes. But yeah, the sellers are overpowering the buyers right now, Smith. So just keep that in mind. You can see all these sell orders right here coming in, these big ass orders right here. One right there, one right there. So they're selling this thing. Oh, you too? You know what, Santiago, man? I don't know, man. In hindsight, I'm looking at this market and it's like, dang, nothing really crazy happened. But I guess everybody is collectively experiencing just having a tough day today. You lost all your profits? Yeah. And I see that the market swept underneath the pre-market low here. We did get a bounce, but it looks like it's gonna, well, we'll see. We'll see. The bulls are trying to buy it. They're trying to buy underneath this low, but I don't think they'll be successful. The MBO data is saying that there's more seller than buyers right now, so. You say NQ swept it too? Let's look at that. Yeah, it swept it this morning. Maybe the ES will do something like this. Oh yeah, Smith, get out of that shit. I just look at the Nasdaq, dude. Get out of that shit, bro. Get out of that. That shit is about to drop. That's about to drop, dude. That is not about to pump up. Hold on, let me look at where you at. Bro, it's not about to pump.
No. Oh my goodness.
Close enough. He's done it. He panicked, so dump it or pump it. But this thing's gonna dump, dude. Drop, base, drop. You gotta break a structure. This thing is not pushing up higher here. It's not. So, well, I guess I only got a few more seconds or minutes, but Santiago, if you can just kind of explain what was your blockers for today? Where did it go wrong? Overtraded? Yeah, I mean, I had it kind of threw me off. I didn't revenge trade, but I guess low key I probably did. I didn't revenge trade in that account, but you know, I took some trades. Well, I mean, it's not like they were bad trades. I can't sit here and say that. They weren't bad trades. It's just I got in and I got out, and I usually don't trade that way. So I traded outside of character this morning. I had the ES come stop. So I was initially in here with my stop literally at this low. We get the initial push. I considered taking profits, but then I thought to myself, you know, this thing could potentially continue to push here. And then it drops, stops me out, and then hits my freaking target. And that kind of pissed me off. Oh shit. Ah, damn. Ah, shit. Smith, you out? You good, bro?
Yeah, I closed it.
All right. Okay. All right, guys. I think Smith is still streaming, so I'm about to end my stream. Y'all guys can go head over to Smith's channel. But I do appreciate everybody that joined me this morning or joined us this morning. We'll definitely come back later on tonight.
And so we're just seeing the wires picking up the headline we've just put out again. Advisor to Supreme Leader mock.
I gotta get my money back.
And we'll definitely look for more opportunities to earn some more money. And with that said, peace out, everybody, and keep on jabbing.
Jesus. Wow.